Hi, my name is Ellen. I'm the designer of eScooter. In our daily life, transportation is probably one of our main concerns. The eScooter is designed to make your everyday transportation easier and more convenient. Is your home located some distance away from public transportation? Have you encountered running out of power while driving? The eScooter is here to solve inconveniences like these. The front and rear tyres are inflation-free and designed with a mechanical rear wheel brakes to ensure timely response for your safety. Choose between two levels of speed. The LED display on the eScooter can display the speed as well as the total mileage. Fully charged, it can take you up to 25 kilometers with a maximum speed of 20 kilometers an hour. After much refinement in the design process, the eScooter can be folded away in just 2 steps. At just 11 kilograms, its lightness together with its compact size makes it a breeze to fold and pull along. The cleverly integrated stabilizer wheels are specially designed so that the eScooter can also stand upright by itself. eScooter, your loyal travel partner.